Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach new syllabus 8th standard contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited and you will learn more. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.1 remaining sums. Find the central angle of each and some measures are given below. Area 462 centimeter squared, R is 21 centimeter, pi also use this value, pi equal to 22/7. So first write given data, area of the sector 462 centimeter squared, radius 21 centimeter. So area, so we have to find out the central angle, means first we will find out L. So area equal to LR by 2. Area equal to LR by 2 equal to 462. So L into R is 21 by 2 equal to 462. You take it into the right hand side. So L equal to 462 into 2 by 21. Here also you cancel with 7 table. 3 7s are 21. 6 7s are 42. Again 6 7s are 42. Here cancel 1 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So L equal to 22 into 2, 44 centimeter. Given L, we will find the angle. How? So use the formula. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r equal to 44 centimeter. So you write it theta by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. So you replace into that right hand side. So multiply means it will come divide, divide means it will come multiply. So we get it here 44. So theta you keep it in the left hand side itself. So 44 into 360 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 21. So here 11 table cancel it, 2 11s are 22, 4 11s are 44. Again cancel it, 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. Again here also you cancel it, 1 2 is to 1 2 is 2. Again here 7 table cancel it, 3 7s are 21, 1 7 is 7. Here 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6 and 0. So theta central angle is 120 degree. Second sum, given data, radius of the sector 35 meter and length also given. So we have to find out the theta. And here also you use pi equal to 22 by 7. So length of the arc formula, that is L equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r equal to 44 centimeter length value. So theta by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 equal to 44 centimeter. Theta you keep it in left hand side, and all other thetas it will go to the right hand side. So 360 and 7 will come multiply, and 2 22 35 will come to divide. So again you cancel it here, 2 11s are 22, 4 11s are 44. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2, 1 2 is 2, cancel it. Again 7 table, 5 7s are 35, 1 7 is 7. Again 1 5 is 5, 360. 7 5s are 35 because 3 is smaller than 5. So you take it 2 digit, 36. 7 5s are 35, remaining here 1, you keep it here. So 2 5s are 10. So theta central angle equal to 72 degree. Seventh one, a circle of radius 120 meter is divided into 8 equal sectors. Find the length of arc. So radius of circle here given 120 meter. Number of equal sectors 8. So first we will find theta. So theta equal to 360 degree by n. N is here 8. So cancel it. 1 8 is 8. 4 8s are 32. Remaining 4 40. 5 8s are 40. So here theta equal to 45 degree. What we have to find? Length of arc. So length of arc formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta here you substitute 45 by 360 into 2 pi. You keep it pi as such, don't put any value. So into 120 meter. So here you cancel it with 5 table. 9 5s are 45, 7 5s are 35 and 1. So 2 5s are. Here also 1 9 is 9, 8 9s are 72. Here cancel it. 1 8 is 8. Remaining 4 40, 5 8s are 40. And multiply 2 into 50, 30 into pi meter. So answer is 30 pi meter. So if you also you can multiply with 3.14 also, that answer is correct. Okay. Next sum. Circle of radius 70 centimeter is divided into 5 equal sectors. Find the area of each of the sectors. First given data, write it. Radius of the sector R equal to 70 centimeter. Number of equal sectors 5. So theta equal to 360 by n, that is 360 by 5. 1 5 is 5. 7 5s are 35, remaining 1 10, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, theta equal to 72 degree. Next, we will find area of the sector. Formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. While writing the sum, you read each formula 5 times and start writing. Theta by 360 into pi r square. So, theta is 72 by 360 into pi into r value 70 into 70. So now cancel it with the 9 table. 8 9s are 72, 4 9s are 36 and 0. 1 8 is 8, 5 8s are 40. 1 5 is 5, here 1 5 is 5, remaining 24. 4 5s are 20. So multiply 14 into 70. So first you put it 0. 4 7s are 28. 2. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 2 9. So 980 pi centimeter squared is the area value. Area of the sector. Next question. Damu fixes a square tile of 30 centimeter on the floor. So here that square tile 30 centimeter. The tile has a sector design. This is the sector design here. Shown in the figure. Find the area of the sector. So pi equal to 3.14. We have to use it here. So side of the square 30 centimeter. So radius, this one is the radius. So the radius also 30 centimeter. And given the design of a circular of a quadrant. Here you see this is the circle. So this portion. This is the quadrant that is given here. So given the design circular quadrant. Area of the quadrant, what formula? 1 by 4 into pi r square. So 1 by 4 into pi value 3.14 into 30 into 30. So here you cancel it. 2 table with the 1 2 is to 5 2s are 1 2 is to 5 2s are 15 15s are 225 into 3.14. First we will multiply with numbers, after we will put the decimal. So 225 into 314. So 4 5s are 20, 2, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Plus 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 3 2s are 6. So 0, 5, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 5, 16, 1, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 7, 10, 1, 1 plus 6, 7. Here 2 digits left. So 1, 2. So 706.5, that is 0 is not having the value. So simply you write it as 706.5 centimeter squared is the area of the sector design. A circle is formed with 8 equal granite stones as shown in the figure. This here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal granite stones. Radius for that, radius center here 56 centimeter, and that angle 45 degree. Find the area of each of the granite stone. So number of equal sectors n equal to 8, r equal to 56. So area of each sector 1 by n into pi r squared square units. So here number of equal sectors 8. So you substitute 1 by 8 into 22 by 7 into 56 into 56. Cancel it. 1 8 is 8, 7 8s are 56. 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7. So multiply 22 into 56. 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, 5 2s are 10, 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. So 2, 3, 2, 1. So 1232 centimeter squared is the area of the sector. Thank you students. We will see next exercise in next class.